Hello family, it's your boy again, Miss Najib. I'm here. I have another small thing, some mini project I want us to go through and also learn something from it. Please, from here I'm going to use the Arduino to program some small screen using the LCD to ensure that you can use buttons to control an X, a value X. Like to control an alphabet X on the screen to anywhere you like. So this is how it is. I'm going to dismantle it. Then we'll go through it ourselves. But before then, let's go through our code first. So here we'll bring the library of the wire, then the library of the LCD is here. Then here are the buttons we are using. I've used what? Pin 2 for up B. The B is button. So pin 3, pin 4 for down, pin 6 for left, pin this and 8 for right. Then I've also decided to include an LED tool so that it will blink to ensure that okay, I've pressed and really what I've pressed and my input has been received. So the LED is pin 12. Then I've placed a buzzer to give us some small sound to let us know that okay, what we have done has worked. So the buzzer 2 is pin 10. Then here the void, here is the control. So the void setup begin. The backlight, this is going to on the backlight of the LED, the LCD. From there then we come here, the push buttons, they are all input, push button input. So I'm using pull up. All the push buttons are input. Then the LED is what? An output. And the buzzer is an output. So from there we come down. We're using bool because it's either it's going or it's standing. So it's yes or no, move or stand. So we are using the bool. Bool move. So false or true. Then from there we come down. Here is for the buzzer down. We are using an if statement here for us to. After the if statement, void draw X. So this is going to show us after the X move, then it should clean the where it was already standing. Then this set cursor print X. Then when it will the next one, it should print the X over there. Then here to digital right, the LED. This one is on. Then the buzzer. This is the 2000. Then it should delay for 10 milliseconds. Then the LED, after it has blinked, delay for 10 milliseconds, then it should go off 0. Then the buzzer to low tone. So now we are going to dismantle our work and redo it from scratch so that we can refer from it next time. Everything has been dismantled. So from here we start from our code, the push buttons, 4 push buttons. So we install the 4 push buttons. 1, 2 push buttons, 3, 4 push buttons. We need a buzzer, so our buzzer will come here, a buzzer over here, then an LED. So our LED, we are checking the positive and negative terminal, so we are using it like this. Then our resistor would also be connected to the positive terminal of our LED. Our resistor is connected to this side. So from here we start with our jumper wires, and this is also, we are using the female male jumper wires or the female male wires for our Then one is for ground, one is for positive, one is for ground, one is for the digital pin. So let's decide to use the longer cables for our digital pins, then the shorter cables for our ground. So we use this. The second, we're using this as our ground. Then we use this as our digital pin. So we've left it. We use this as ground. Then we use this as digital pin. So we have also left it. This as digital pin, then this as ground. Start with the last buzzer, the last push button. So this as digital pin, then this as ground. So we come to our LED and our buzzer. So the LED, this is the digital pin, then this is the ground. The buzzer, this is our digital pin, this is our ground. So now we will refer to our code. The push buttons, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So we are following it respectively. This will be given to 4 here, 6, then 8. And what is the cable or the pin for our buzzer? Buzzer pin over here is 10. So the buzzer cable comes to pin 10. The LED pin is what? LED pin is pin 12. So LED comes to pin 12. So we are done with the first. Then our ground, general ground, comes to GND, ground. Then this too, we can decide to let the ground follow this. But so for as much as we are just doing this straight, we'll use this. So behind the LCD, the I2C, there's this in GND, which is ground, VCC, SDA, and SCL. So the ground will be given to ground over here. Ground will be given to ground over here. Then our VCC is the current, so that one is 5 volt. That one is 5 volt. We are giving it 5 volt. Then from there, our SDA will now go to A4. Then our SCL will go to A5. And now our connection is done. Connect it here. They will give it to a power source. Then go on.
I've paused it, so now I've paused it to talk.
We've unlocked our PC, so we are going to run it and see how it's going to work over here. So we upload the code. Then it's successfully uploaded. Then you come and refer. You see the X is displayed here. X is displayed. Note, our app, this is our app, this is down, this is left, and this is right. So we are going down. See, the buzzer is giving a little sound. Bring it closer, listen closer. We are going up, we are going down. The LED is also blinking. Down, up, down. So we are going right. Then we'll go left. Then we'll go up. Then we'll go right. Then we'll go down. Then we'll go left. So I'm here. Our code has been successfully run and we've succeeded. Thank you very much for coming by to have a look at what we have here. Come back next time to see more interesting things. It's your boy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Have a nice day.